Hello, I'm Shannon. This is my Media Lab 1 pitch for genre analysis. I'm doing my general analysis on nonfiction articles. Nonfiction is a blanket term for written accounts of real people, places, objects, or events. Ways to spot nonfiction articles. Generally know what's important. They use short sentences and paragraphs, usually about 8th grade reading level, for easy understandability, and they can be very interesting. The article that I chose to do briefly explains the use of mushrooms as design tools, pros and cons of them, and possible usage in architecture as a new material that is sustainable, along with how it has been used recently, and mixing it with different compounds. Why nonfiction articles? I find myself reading these for both inspiration and information. It gives me a quick glimpse of needed information. And it's not just text, but also there's interesting visual examples, and usually plenty of them. And it explains what is unique or special on this building or whatever I'm looking at. And it usually tells how you can combat problems that we face in designing. Why is this genre important? Nonfiction articles are important in architecture because they fill a niche in what is being developed. Unconventional exploration, but also uses common vocabulary and respects developers' time constraints. Architecture literature, from what I have read, can be otherwise very philosophical or super diagrammatic and correct, and has a higher reading comprehension, which makes for it takes a few times to read it, more time to break it down, and it's easily capable of being a multimodal and can also be fascinating. Why I chose my article. I chose this article because I am interested in building not just sustainably, but eco-friendly, and anything that can make such choices an affordable and realistic option. I learned about this promising research done on the possibility of growing homes as more than just, fiction, but it's a possibility. And any advancements since the industrial age, I think is really exciting for architecture. Um, and then with the amount of people and of course carbon footprints and everything, um, I just find it interesting.